Today we are going to discuss about integration by method of substitution. In earlier class we discussed about two methods, that is integration of f dash of x by f of x dx equal to log f of x place, and one more method is integration of f of x power m into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And today we are discussing and two other methods. On completion of this period, we would be able to evaluation of integration of the type integration f of g of x into g dash of x dx using substitution, and integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx, and solve problems in integration by substitution method, particularly of the form integration sine power mx into cos power nx dx. Here m and n varies. First methods. This method integration f of g of x into g dash of x dx using a method of substitution. So example 1. Evaluate integration e power x into sine e power x dx. Here, sine of e power x means g of f of g of x, and e power x is one of the, assume that, g dash of x. Integration e power x into sine e power x dx is equal to, let put e power x equal to u, derivative both side, e power x dx equal to du. So that means e power x dx is du, e power x is u. So apply e power x is u, that is integration of sine e power x into e power x ds. Put e power x as u, sine u into e power x dx is du, sine u du. Sine integration is minus cos x, that is sine u integration is minus cos u plus c is equal to, substitute u value, u is e power x, that equal to minus cos e power x plus c. Therefore, integration e power x into sine e power x dx equal to minus cos e power x plus c. Like previous formula, integration of f of g of x into g dash f x dx. Next answer. Example. Evaluate integration e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx. Here, uh, put tan inverse x equal to u. Tan inverse x is u, that is e power g of x. E is the f, tan inverse x is g of x, f of g of x into 1 by 1 plus x square is a g dash of x, that is tan inverse x derivative. The same formula. So integration, so first of all put tan inverse x equal to u. So derivative both side, tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square dx, and derivative of u is du. So convert the given question into integration e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square dx equal to integration e power tan inverse x into 1 by x square dx. Here 1 by x square dx is du, and tan inverse x equal to u. Apply tan inverse x and du. Integration e power u into du. E power u integration is e power u. So there is a print mistake. There is not integration in that step. So e power u du is e power u plus c. Apply u value. U value equal to tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse x plus c. Example 3. Evaluate integration sin inverse x whole power 4 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. Here f of g of x is sin inverse x is the here g of x. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square is g dash. Overall, sin inverse x whole power 4 is the f of g of x formation. So here put sin inverse x equal to sin inverse x equal to u. Then derivative both side with respect to x, that is sin inverse x derivative is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx, and derivative of u is du. This implies sin inverse x whole power 4 means u power 4. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx is derivative of u, that is du. U power 4 du. Integration of u power 4 du is u power 5 by 5 plus c. What is u value? Apply u value. U value equal to sin inverse x is equal to sin inverse x whole power 5 by 5 plus c. Example 4. Evaluate integration secant square x by under root of 1 minus tan square x dx. Secant square x by tan square. Here, let tan x equal to u. Then tan x derivative is secant square x. So f of g of x means here under root of 1 minus tan square x is f of g of x, and g of x derivative tan x derivative is secant square x. Let tan x equal to u, then tan x derivative both side with respect to x, that is tan x derivative is secant square x dx equal to u derivative is du. Secant square x dx equal to du. Integration, convert the above equation. Integration secant square x by under root of 1 minus tan square x dx is equal to integration 1 by 1 minus tan square x into secant square x dx is equal to integration secant square x dx is du. 1 by under root of 1 minus tan x equal to u square is 1 by under root of 1 minus u square du. Integration 1 by 1 minus x square dx formula sin inverse x. Here integration 1 by under root of 1 minus u square du is sin inverse u plus c. Sin inverse of apply u value is apply u value. What is u value? U value is tan x. So sin inverse of tan x plus c. Integration, therefore integration secant square x by under root of 1 minus tan square x is equal to sin inverse tan x plus c. Next, example 5. Evaluate integration secant square log x by x dx. Secant square log x by. Here 1 by x is the derivative of log x. Let log x equal to u. Secant square log x is formation is f of g of x. Here log x is g of x and 1 by x is g dash of x form method. So put log x equal to u, log x equal to derivative both side with respect to x. Derivative of log x is 1 by x dx, and derivative of u is du is equal to. So our question, modification of our question is integration of secant square log x by x dx equal to secant square log x into 1 by x dx. Put log x equal to u and apply the du value also. 1 by x dx equal to du. Secant square u into du. Secant square x, integration of secant square x formula is tan x plus c. So here integration of secant square u du equal to tan u plus c. So therefore our answer is integration secant square log x by x dx equal to tan log x plus c. Next question. Example 6. Evaluate integration x square into tan inverse x cube by 1 plus x power 6 dx. So this is just complicated. X square by 1 plus x square by 1, tan inverse x cube. Suppose x cube is u, it will be 3x square, but 1 by x cube not to change. Put Tan inverse x cube equal to u. Derivative both side with respect to dx. Tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square. So that is 1 by 1 plus x cube square, 1 by 1 plus x square, and x cube derivative is 3x square dx equal to du. So here there is a printing mistake, 1 by x cube whole power not a 6 whole power 2, that it will come 1 by x power 6. So du is completed, du is completed. Convert the given equation to uh, useful way. Tan inverse of x cube integration x square into tan inverse x cube by 1 plus x power 6 dx equal to, converted in the form into easy way, is equal to tan inverse x cube, that is the one of the u, and x square by 1 plus x cube whole square dx. Here x square dx by 1 plus x cube square equal to du by 3. So that is du by tan inverse x cube is u. So therefore 1 by 3 of u du. U dx dx integration is x square by 2. U du integration is u square by 2. 1 by 3 into u square by 2 plus c, that equal to 1 by 6 into u square is, what is u? U equal tan inverse x cube. Tan inverse of x cube whole square by 6 plus c is our answer. Evaluation of integrals of the type. Next method, evaluation of integrals of the type integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So this is one of the multiplication method. We don't have any multiplication method, and it will, this method also contain f of x and f dash of function, and in that derivative exists. We know that derivative of f of x into e power x derivative u method. So derivative u method, f of x into e power x plus e power x into f of x into derivative of e power x is e power x plus e power x into derivative of f of x is f dash of x. This is u formula. So d by dx of f of x into e power x equal to, in upper cases, e power x is a common term. So take out common. E power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. So derivative of f of x into e power x equal to e power x into f dash of x, f of x plus f dash of x dx. This is it. So apply integrate on both sides. Integration derivative of f of x into e power x equal to integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. The derivative left side, derivative integration cancel. F of x into e power x equal to integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx. Therefore, integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to just e power x into f of x plus c. So simple answer. So multiply integration, this is a multiplication problem on integration, so need not to do any multiplication and work. So because in that example derivative function and in that derivative exist, and also e power. So integration simple formula and also simple examples. Integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx, function and that derivative exist in addition formation. So observe and easy, do answer easy. E power x into integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to just e power x into f of x plus c. Easy answer, easy question. So example 7, evaluate integration 2 plus sine 2x by 1 plus cos 2x into e power x dx. So e power x means this is the same method of previous formula, but uh, find out what is f of x, which one is f dash of x. E power x exists here, and Convert f of x and f dash of x. It will give easy answer. 2 by 2 plus sine 2x by 1 plus cos 2x. Apply the formulas of sine 2 theta, sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta. 2 plus 2 sine 2 theta equal to 2 sine theta cos theta, that equal to sine 2x equal to 2 sine x cos x in numerator, and denominator 1 plus cos 2x. Use the cos 2x formula, uh, 2 cos square x minus 1, because it will cancel the denominator 1. 1 plus cos 2x is 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 cancel. In numerator 2 common. 2 into 1 plus sin x cos x by denominator is 2 into cos square x. Here 2 cancel. 2 to cancel, that is 1 by cos square x plus sin x by cos x, cos x cancel, sin x by cos x. Therefore 1 by cos square x is secant square x, sin x by cos x is tan x, secant square x plus tan x. Now integration 1 plus sin 2x by cos 2x into e power x dx equal to tan x plus secant square x into e power x dx. Here tan x is f of x, tan x derivative is secant square. F of x and f dash of x exist. F of x into f dash of x into f of x plus f dash of x into e power x dx equal to f of x plus c. So therefore e power x into tan x plus c is our answer. Example 8. Evaluate e power x into x by 1 plus x square dx. Always convert the problem into e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx formation, because we don't have any multiplication formula. So e power x is exists, that is e power x into f of x plus f dash of x formula problem. Integration e power x into x by 1 plus x square dx is equal to e power x into up multi add and subtract plus 1 1 e power x into numerator 1 plus x minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to e power integration e power x into 1 plus x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. In numerator 1 plus x, denominator 1 plus x, 1 plus x cancel, is equal to integration e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square dx. Here 1 by 1 plus x is f of x. So same formula. Uh, Minus 1 by 1 plus x square is f dash of x. So derivative 1 by 1 plus 1 by x is plus x. Derivative 1 by 1 plus x, that is take out numerator 1 plus x whole power minus 1 minus 1 x power n minus 1, derivative of x is x power n minus 1, that is 1 plus a whole power minus 1 into 1 plus x whole power minus 1 minus 1, that is derivative formula, that it will give minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square. Here 1 by 1 plus x is f of x, minus 1 by 1 plus x square is f dash of x. So f of x plus f dash of x into e power x dx is e power x into f of x plus c. Answer is e power x into 1 by 1 plus x plus c. Since here f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus x and f dash of x equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Therefore, integration e power x into x by 1 plus x square dx equal to e power x by 1 plus x plus c. Summary, last two problems and formula summary. We have learned the following. Evaluation of integrals of the type, that is integration f of g of x into g dash of x dx and Second one is 2. Second one 2. Integration e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. Quiz. Integration of cos 2x dx. Cos 2x. Cos x formula sin x. Simple sin 2x. Integration of cos x is sin x. Here x coefficient 2 is 2 divided by 2. That is sin 2x by 2 plus c is the correct answer. Cos inverse x whole power 4 by under root of 1 minus x square dx. The answer is this is f of g of x into g dash f x dx method. Uh, Let cos inverse x equal to u. Cos inverse x equal to u. Uh, Derivative of cos inverse x equal to minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square minus 1 by 1 plus x square. 1 by under root of 1 minus x square dx equal to minus du. U power 4 into minus du. That is u power 4 integration is u power 5 by 5 minus here u equal to cos inverse x minus cos inverse x whole power 4 by 5. C is the correct answer. Previous asked questions. Integration e power tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. In that, let put u tan inverse x equal to, it will give the easy answer. Next, second one is cos of tan inverse x by 1 plus x square. This is also same. Tan inverse, put tan inverse x equal to u, then it will give easy answer. Third one, integration e power x into 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x dx. So e power exists here. Take out 1 plus sin x by 1 plus cos x as f of x plus f dash of x dx. It will give e power x into f of x plus c. And next question, x into e power x by 1 plus x plus 1 whole square. Take out this question also, x by 1 plus x whole square, add and subtract plus 1 like previous question, previous example. It will give easy answer, same answer. Assignment. Integration x power 5 by under root of 1 minus 4 into x power 12 dx. Take out x power 6, take out denominator as x power 12 as x power 6 whole square. Let x power 6 equal to d. It will derivative of x power 6 is 6x power 5 into dx. So 6 into, so du equal to d, x power 5 into dx equal to du by 6. Integration 1 by under root of 1 minus 4x square, that is 4u square is, take out 4 is on the outside, that is it will give 2. 1 by 4 is 1 by 2, 1 x square, 1 by 2 minus x square, a square minus x square, 1 by a square minus x square is 1 by a sin u is equal to, answer is 1 by 6, 1 by 2 in 1 by 1 by 2 into sin inverse 1 by 6 into 1 by 1 by 2 into sin inverse u by 1 by 2. It will give 2 by 6 means 1 by 3 into sin inverse 2x power 6 plus c is the correct answer. Next, integration cos root x by root x dx. Here take out root x equal to u. Root x integration derivative is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x, there is no 2 in 1 by 2 root x dx equal to du. So 1 by root x dx equal to t du cos u 2 du 2 into cos u du. Cos u integration is sin u 2 into sin u plus 3. 2 into here 2 sin root x plus 3 is the answer. Third one is integration e power x in 2 plus sin 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx. This is the previous example question. Fourth one is e power x into cot x plus log sin x dx. Here, take out f of x equal to log sin x. Derivative of log sin x is sin a. Log sin x derivative 1 by sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x by sin x is cot x. So here log sin x is f of x, cot x is f dash x. So therefore answer is e power x into log sin x plus c. What is the integral of 3x square plus x minus 1 whole power 5 into 6x plus 1? Here 3x square plus x minus 1 whole power 5 into 6x plus 1 dx equal to 3x square plus x minus 1 whole power 6 by 6. Because 3x square plus x minus 5 whole power 5, here 3x plus x minus 1 is the let equal to t. So t power 5 into f of x. So this is f of g of x into g dash of x formula. So here t into 6x plus 1 is to dx is du t dt. So divided by t dt, t power 5 dt, t power 5 integration t power 6 by 6 plus c. That is the here t value is 3x square plus x minus 1. So 3x square plus x minus 1 by minus 1 whole power 6 by 6 plus c. How do you integrate using substitution method or change of variable? How do you integrate using substitution method or change of variables? By suitable substitution, the variable of integration is changed to another variable. By suitable substitution, the variable of integration is changed to another variable. The integrand is changed into standard form. The integrand is changed to a standard form. The function is now integrated easily and directly. Then function is now integrated easily and direct. Integrate integrals of the form integration sin power mx into cos power mx dx. Integrals of the form integration sin power mx into cos power nx dx. Here m comma n varies. Different cases for values of m and n are shown in this topic. Case 1. When m and n are positive integer. M and n are positive integer. Put cos x equal to t when the powers of sin x is odd. That is m is odd. So if m is odd, put cos x equal to t. N is even. Cos x equal to t. Next case is sin x equal to t when the power of cos x is odd. So reverse. If power of sin x is odd, put t equal to cos x. If power of sin x is odd, power of cos x is odd, put sin x equal to t. When the powers of sin x and cos x are odd, what is that? When the powers of sin x is and cos x is odd, put cos x equal to t if m less than n. Sin x equal to m greater than n. So if m less than n, cos x equal to and m greater than n, sin x equal to t. One more case is like this. If both m and n are even, what is that? If m and n are even, apply the sin 2x cos 2x formulas. Example 1. Integration sin power 3x into cos power 4x dx. Here m equal to 3, n equal to 4. Here sin power m is odd, n is even. Put sin power odd. That means put t equal to cos x. Sin power odd, then put cos equal to t. The power of sin is odd, so put cos x equal to t. Derivative both side. Cos x derivative. Here I am applying only derivative. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx. Derivative of t is dt. So sin x dx equal to minus dt. Convert the given question into uh, easy way. Integration sin cube x, here I am writing only sin square x. Sin square x into cos power x into remaining sin x is last term sin x dx, because here sin x dx equal to dt. Put sin square x formula is 1 minus cos square x, and cos power 4x as it is cos power 4x, because total I am converting the given equation into only cos way and dt. So 1 minus cos square into cos, because cos is t, cos x equal to integration 1 minus cos square x into cos power 4x into sin x dx. Here sin x dx equal to dt. So cos x equal to t, that is integration 1 minus t square into t power 4 into minus dt. Multiply t square. Multiply minus. My total minus when changes are plus. Plus changes to minus. Minus dt. T square, that is 1 minus t square changes to t square minus 1. So t square minus 1 into t power 4 dt, multiply with t power 4. T square into t power 4 is t power 6 dt, and minus 1 into t power 4 t power 4 dt. So x power n integration x power n plus 1, that is t power 6 integration t power 7 by 7, minus t power 4 integration is t power 5 by 5 plus c. Apply the t value t. What is t equal to here? I am taking t equal to cos x. That is cos x power 7 by 7 minus cos x power 5 by 5 plus c. I am going to next example. Example 2. Here integration sin power 9x into cos power 3x dx. Here both m and n, cos sin power m and cos power n are both odd. Then we choose if m less than n, t equal to cos x, m greater than n is t equal to sin x. The powers of sin x and cos x are both odd and m greater than m case. This is m greater than. Then put t equal to sin x. So put t equal to sin x. Derivative both side. Derivative of sin x is cos x dx, and derivative of t is dt. So integration sin power 9x into cos power dx, cos power 3 dx equal to sin power 9x into, here I am taking sin x equal to t. Convert the total equation into sin x way, and last dx into cos x, because dx cos x into dx is dt. So sin power 9x into cos power 3x is cos square x into cos x dx. Here cos x dx equal to dt, and cos square x can be changed as 1 minus sin square x. Sin power 9x into 1 minus sin square x into cos x dx. Convert total equation into t formation. That is sin power 9x into, multiply 1 into sin power 9x is sin power 9x. Sin power 9x into sin square x is sin power 11x into cos x dx. So here sin x equal to t, that is t power 9 minus t power 11 into dt. T power 9 minus t power 11 into dt. T power 9 integration is t power 10 by 10 minus t power 11 integration is t power 12 by 2 plus 3. Apply, substitute t value. T is sin x, that is sin x power 10 by 10 minus sin x power 12 by 2 plus c. Example 3. Sin power 5x into cos power 5x. This here both are powers of sin x and cos x are same and odd. So we choose anything as t. Here m equal to n equal to 5 both odd and equal. Put sin x equal to or either cos x equal to. Here I am taking only sin x equal to. Put sin x equal to, then derivative of sin x is cos x dx. Derivative of t is dt. So our question is integration sin power 5x into cos power 5x dx equal to integration of sin power 5x into, here I am taking cos power 5 as cos x into dx, and remaining is cos power 4x is cos square x whole square, because I am chosen as t is sin x. Therefore, I am converting total equation as sin x way. Apply the cos square formula as 1 minus sin square x is equal to integration sin power 5x into uh, cos square x is 1 minus sin square x whole square. That is t power sin, apply t as t sin value as t. Integration t power 5 into 1 minus t square whole square cos x dx is dt. T power 5 into 1 minus t square whole square, that is a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab, that is 1 square minus 2t square plus b square, that is t square whole square is t power 4 into dt, multiply with t power 5. 1 into t power 5 is t power 5 minus 2 into t square is minus 2 into t power 7, t power 5 into t power 4 is t power 9 into dt. So therefore, integration, apply integration on t power 5, that is t power 5 integration is t power 6 by 6 minus 2 into t power 7 integration is t power 8 by 8 plus t power 9 integration is t power 10 by 10 plus c. So apply t value is, the t value is sin x, that is sin x power 6 by 6 minus 2 into 2, 8 is the answer, that is 1 by 4 only. So sin power 8x by 4. So t power 10 means sin power 10x by 10 plus c. Next exam, case 2. When both m and n are positive even integer, we should sin square x, we substitute sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. One example, example 4, integration sin square x into cos square x dx. Here powers of sin x and cos x are both even. uh, I am applying sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 minus cos 2x into 1 plus cos 2x. The above formula is, and upper numerator is a plus b into a minus b way a square minus b square, that is 1 minus cos square 2x. 2 into 2 is 4. 1 minus cos square 2x by 4 dx. 1 by 4 as common. Integration 1 minus cos square 2x formula, cos square x formula like same, 1 plus cos 2x by 2, here 2 into 2 is 4, integration 1 minus 1 plus cos 4x by 2 into dx is equal to 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 minus cos 4x by 2 dx. 1 minus 1 by 2 is just 1 by 2, that is 1 by 2. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is, so take out 2 as one second common. 1 by 4 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 integration 1 minus cos 4x dx. So 1 by 8 into integration of 1 is x. Cos 4x integration is sin 4x by 4 plus c. So here integration of cos x not minus. So cos x integration just sin x. 1 by 8 into x minus sin 4x by 4 plus c. This is the answer. Next example 5. Evaluate sin power 4 theta into cos power 3 theta d theta. Here powers are sin power is even and cos power is odd. Then put sin x equal to t. Simple. Sin x equal to sin theta equal to sin theta derivative is cos theta d theta equal cos theta d theta equal to dt. Integration. So apply t d theta and in our question integration sin power 4 theta into cos power 3 theta d theta equal to sin power. Here I am taking t equal to sin theta, therefore sin power 4 theta as it is sin power 4 theta. Convert cos as sin, so cos power 3 theta is here, cos square theta into cos t theta d theta. Integration sin power 4 theta into cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta and cos theta d theta as same as it is cos theta d theta. Put sin as t, that equal to integration t power 4 sin power 4 theta is t power 4 into 1 minus sin square theta is 1 minus t square to cos theta dx d theta equal to dt. Multiply t power 4 into 1 is t power 4, t power 4 into t square is t power 6 into d theta. So integrate it. T power 4 integration is t power 5 by 5 and t power 6 integration is t power 7 by 7 plus c. So therefore apply t value is t power value is here sin theta. So sin theta power 5 by 5 minus sin theta power 7 by 7 plus c. Summary. You have learned to integrate by substitution. You have learned to integration by substitution. Cos x equal to when the power of sin x is odd. Sin x equal to t when the power of cos x is odd. Sin x equal to t when both are odd m greater than n. Cos x equal to when both are odd m less than n. Once again, cos x equal to t when power of sin x is odd. Sin x equal to when the power of cos x is odd. And cos x equal to t both are odd and m less than n. Sin x equal to when m greater than n. The integral of the form integration sin power mx into cos power nx dx is integration sin square x into cos x dx. Here cos power is odd, sin power is even. One is odd, two is even. So put sin x equal to t or do other way, sin x equal to that is sin x equal to sin x dx. Derivative of sin x is cos x dx. So here cos x dx is dt and sin x equal to t. So t square. T square integration is t cube by sin x integration. So t cube by 3. What is t? T equal to sin x. Sin x sin cube 3 by 3 plus c. Next question. Frequently asked question. Previously asked question. Evaluate integration sin power 6x into cos power 3x dx. Here sin x power is even, cos x power odd. Then put t equal to sin x because cos x power odd. Put sin x equal to t. Next question, evaluate integration sin power 5x into cos power 8 dx. Sin power 5 is odd. 5 is odd. Cos power 8 is even. So sin power 5 is odd means put t equal to cos x. It will give easy answer. Next. Integrate sin cube x into cos power 4x dx. Here sin power 3 is odd. Put t equal to cos x. T equal to cos x means so t power 4 and sin square will give sin power 3 is sin square into sin x. Cos x derivative is sin x dx minus cos x derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx. It will give minus dt. Minus dt is 1 minus t square into t power 4. 1 minus t square will give minus dt means t square minus 1 into t power 4. T square is t power 6 minus t power 4. that is t power 7 by 7 minus t power 6 by t power 5 by 5 plus c. What is t is here? Cos power 7x by 7 plus cos power 7x by 7 minus cos power 5x by 5 plus c is the correct answer. Next, assignment. Do assignment. First one is integration sin power 4x into cos power 3x dx. Sin power 4 is sin power is m is even, n is odd. So cos power 3 is odd. Then put t equal to sin x. Second question, integration sin power 3x into cos power 3x dx. Both are odd and m greater than n, not m equal to n. Put as you wish. Third one, integration sin power 4x into cos power 4x dx. Here both are even and equal. So put sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Today I am discussing the two formulas and one method. That is, first one is integration of f of g of x into g dash of dx. It will give easy answer. And next integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to, answer is e power x into f of x plus e. The problem should contain e power x and f of x and that derivative, the f of x and function and derivative in adding position, in addition places, and e power x into extra. It will give easy answer, e power x into f of x. Last method, uh, integration sin power mx into cos power nx dx. In this method, if m is odd, put sin power m. Sin power is odd, then put t equal to cos x. If cos power is odd, put t equal to sin x. Both power odd, then m less than n places m less than t equal to cos x. If m greater than n, is t equal to sin x. If both m and n powers of sin x and cos x is even, then apply sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2 and cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. In next class, I am discussing about integration, multiplication on integration. That is integration of u into v dx method. Okay, thank you.